How do you rate it? 10 out of
9,
10 or
9 out of
9.5?
10. 9 out of 10.
Okay, the one we hinted on earlier is here, the Inter Miami one. This guy
To me, that kit
cooks.
is.
This Adidas cooks this jersey, yeah?
I don't like Messi, but that's a 10 out of 10.
They cook. What's going on, people? Tony here with Aaron Football Fan TV, and we are back again with content. Wagwan, my guy, how you doing?
I'm G, man.
Today, no rivalry. We're going to rate some of the jerseys, very cool jerseys that are going to be for the 2024-2025 season. Which jerseys have you seen so far that are really nice? Before we dive into the ones that we're looking at here.
I don't like Messi, but Inter Miami's kit looks
The
cool.
blue with orange, eh?
The green, yeah.
It's green, yeah, green
Yeah.
with green with orange.
Then Chelsea's second kit,
It's cold.
Newcastle's kit, Real Madrid's, is it third kit? Is it the second kit?
But
The
what's with Adidas giving people the same, like clubs, similar designs, and this season, man, they did us dirty. Eh? The designer did us dirty. Manu has very good kits this season, and Madrid blood. Adidas did them justice. But anyways, let's be rolling. We're going to be rating our jerseys first. The Newcastle second kit, the white with
is it the second kit? It's the third kit.
This is the third kit, yeah?
Yeah.
Jeez. White with a collar with blue writings and black on it. Look at how the logo is on the shit. This jersey is cold, man. This is cold. This is unrated number one here. Then we have the Girona jersey. You know they have it's under the City Group.
You see, the first time I saw that kit, I thought it was Man
City, yeah, because they have Etihad Airways as the sponsors, and
there was a season Man City had such a color.
Yeah, this is cold, man. Out of 10, how do you rate the Newcastle one, the third kit?
9.5.
9.5. Then this Girona, this is pink and purple, same time. Jeez.
I would give it 8.
This is cold,
8.5.
8.5. Then Nice has a white Ineos. This is Manu's sister, bro. It's cold, man.
8.5.
8.5 for you, yeah.
Napoli
has a white, and this one is actually the pictures we have being modeled by a female. Oh my god! I think this one you can put it on and go even anywhere with it. You can tuck in, you can go to the club, you can go to the bar, you can do anything with this kit because, man, look at it, clean, yeah.
It's clean.
It's white. Out of 10, how many?
9.
9. Eh? You're giving a lot of 9s and 8s now.
The kits are cool.
Your kit is here. This is the third kit or second?
That's our second
the away kit. Bro, I won't lie. Eh? This is nice. You know the home one is funny. The blue one. I don't know how they designed the home one, but this is cold, man. This white one is cold.
Kit, I'll give it a 9.
With a collar. And what's with Chelsea releasing the jerseys without the sponsors, and then eventually in the course of the season they put it? Is it because they have terminated Infinite, the one that does sponsor? Chelsea. The contract is done, or
that contract they are supposed to be the sleeve sponsors. Infinite. According if we don't get like
they're not paying proper money to be the main sponsors.
You know, Chelsea is now a business.
Man, so yeah, this kit is cold, bro. Look at Kenan Dewsbury Hall in it. Nkunku and Tosin. Man, they look good in it, man. You said it's 9 out of 10, eh?
Yeah.
Okay, then Manchester City. This is their away kit. Oh my god.
They said Manu and Man City shifted places. One took red, and
blue. This other took blue, yeah?
That kit is good.
Wow. This is nice. This is red, this is purple. Mixture of red and purple.
Maroon something.
Maroon, yeah, and some black in it. Look at Akanji. It's cold looking in it, man.
I'll give it 8.
8.5 out of 10. Then Atletico Madrid also has a cold kit. There's this Riyadh Air, their sponsor. They have this is their away kit.
Who are those ones?
Griezmann, and how many out of 10?
7.5.
7.5. Antonio Griezmann modeling this one. And then I hate Manu, but bro, I don't hate this kit. I like the home kit last season. This season they have come with a banger. The blue. Jesus.
That kit is good.
This is super cold.
Look at this guy,
Garnacho modeling.
Garnacho model is
dope. And then Lisandro is also in
The
this
goat.
one. Oh my god, this is to me, I would rate
I think
this
that's
one.
the best, to
This
me,
should be
the
the
best
best away
away
kit.
kit I've
Yeah,
seen
this is a 9 out of
in
10
Premier
for
League.
me. Yeah, should be the best. How do you rate it? 10 out of 10 or 9.5?
9 out of 10.
Okay, the one we hinted on earlier is here, the Inter Miami one. This guy
To me, that kit
cooks.
is.
This Adidas cooked this jersey, yeah? Oh
I
my
don't like Messi, but that's a 10 out of 10.
They cooked this jersey. Look at this. Oh my god. This is green, yeah? Green
Light
with,
green,
with
something
light
like that.
green with white, and then with the orange, and I think I need to get this kit. Even which other player is there in Inter
There's
Miami? Busquets.
Busquets, Suarez,
Which-
Alba, Jordi Alba.
There's no player that left the Premier League and went to Inter Miami. I would buy the jersey because
No.
of him at least.
I don't know. I'll just buy that kit because of me.
That's a 9 for you, or how many? For me, it's a 9
I said
as well.
10.
10, eh? This one is your best kit
Mm.
that you've seen. Barcelona, their home
Good.
kit.
It's like they have gone back to Messi's days of when he was wearing 19.
Mm.
I think they gave Yamal 19.
This is the inspiration from
Mm.
from those days when Messi burst into the scene. Eh?
Yeah.
And
So-
this time they did not write the Spotify word; they just used the logo on it. And
So you guys who are buying kits which has that Spotify thing,
this
you
is
need to check
nice.
it out.
This is dope. Yamin Lamal is donning this one and modeling it in this picture. Then AC Milan's kit. Actually, this kit
That one for Barcelona, I would rate it
at how many?
8.5.
8.5. Eh? Now the next one is the AC Milan one, where they,
Yeah.
when they played against Man City, you remember they played with their home kits. Then at halftime they went and auctioned those ones, and then they put on the new away kits that no one had said. Bro, this white kit is cold. This reminds me of if you remember the Bayern white that was there in the other season.
Yeah,
This
last
is
season.
cold. This is cold. White Pulisic. This is Kalulu. Then who else is this? Oh, Benacia. This looks good.
I also saw Liao modeling it, but
Oh
he's
my
not done
God,
that.
this is dope. This kit, this is also one you could have and don and go anywhere with it. You can go to
Can go for groove with it.
with it, and
Yeah.
you can go for branches with it, probably with a short or something like that. Then AS Roma,
That kit I rated there on this one.
9?
9.
9, yeah.
Yeah.
So AS Roma, I think this is similar to them they had last season. There's really no much change in it, but where we're getting these pictures from, they rate this kit, but it's not bad. It's not really bad to me. It's still Riada that sponsors them this season. They're just like I think Chelsea is likely to get Riada Air, just like Atletico. I think because I've seen already leaks jerseys with Riada as a
And I've seen that
sponsor.
this Chelsea co-owner, what is it, Egbali?
Egbali.
Yeah, the guy is in Saudi Arabia trying to strike a deal.
He's trying to launder money and human traffic.
Oh,
That's what
yeah.
Chelsea does. That's
make
this one.
money.
I think I'll give it 7. This is really not. I wouldn't rate it so high, but yeah, it's a good one. Then Crystal Palace. Crystal Palace has a cold kit, but I think I like the other than that had. Is it CINC? Well, last season, bro, it was cold, and they normally have cold second and third kits. This is their home kit. Let's wait for the second and third kit. So this one out of 10, 6 really not.
I would give it a 7.
Nah, I don't think it's better than even the previous ones. Then Bayer Leverkusen, Florian Wirtz modeling this one. Not so much change from the kits they normally have, but I think it's the detail that is on the jersey or that is on the kit.
That's the first kit.
Yeah, that is the home kit.
It looked regular. To me,
Yeah,
the
it's just
colour,
like no more. Then how many out of 10?
7.
7, yeah? Me 7 too. Then Inter Milan.
Inter's kit is good to me. I always like that kit.
You like collared kits?
Every
How
time
come?
I see those stripes, it reminds me of Balotelli, you know. Spotify.
Balotelli, okay.
I would rate it at
Martinez.
8.
8, eh? I'll give that one 7 still for me. I swear I don't like it so much. The coldest that I really like and rate is the Madrid away kit, bro. This orange is dope.
That is 218, 17.
Jeez.
Like the replica. I
Yeah,
remember the time
yeah.
in BBC they
Yeah.
had
Jesus. Man, this is cold. Eh? Vinicius, Jude, Mendy, and Adidas, I think, did, like I said earlier, Adidas did justice to Man U and Madrid. Arsenal, I don't know what they gave us.
I don't know if this thing is in print with Adidas, like putting those three
The
stripes, those
strips.
strips there.
That's the logo, bro. That's part of their logo. Can't you see this?
Yeah.
So they normally put those strips there.
Mm.
Last season we had the golden
That
on
thing
it.
looks nice.
Yeah, it looks dope. But this orange, I think this is the one I give 10, and
Okay.
I give this 10. I think I like shouting colors, and this is dope. This orange is actually dope. So I'll give it 10.
Yeah, it's good. I'll give it 9.5.
9.5. Then finally the PSG whites. They always have that white they normally have. But are you seeing something like the Eiffel Tower in the jersey? If you can see it, like so, yeah. So I think that is
that
the
what they
only
will
thing.
use?
Yeah, that's their away. That's their second kit. They
Uh,
have the home, which is normally blue, and this is now their away. You can see.
yeah,
the Eiffel.
PSV's kit normally has it in a circular,
Yeah.
in a small
Yeah.
tower.
So now
So
they
this
have
time-
it on the kit here, like going across, and looks good, not bad
Yeah.
for it. So there are still more teams releasing the jerseys and
There's
all that.
Arsenal's second kit.
Our second
black
kit, the
one.
black one, Africa inspired one, Links Africa. It looks good, actually. Like it. It's actually going to be the first kit I'm going to buy for this season. Then probably I'll get this Madrid one.
kit.
Yeah, I'll get that Madrid one. Then even I said this Inter Miami one, I'll be getting it. So those are the kits I'll be getting. I think the Arsenal second, the away kit, the black with the kind of Kenyan flag or Ghanaian flag on Ghanaian colors or African colors. I'll get that. Then I'll get Inter Miami. Then I'll get the Madrid. Those are the kits I'm going to be doing for this season. Which ones are you getting?
I'm getting our blue. I have to get it.
How about the away?
Then the away kit. I have to
The away
get
is the
it.
cold one, man. That has to be the first one, man.
I have to get a jersey for Uganda Cranes.
Ah, man, jerseys. But
Then
anyways,
that one for Inter Miami.
okay, so those are your three that you're going to be getting. Anyways, how do you rate those jerseys that we've talked about? From 1 to 10, how do you rate them? For us, we've rated ours, and you can leave your comments or your answers and your ratings in the comment section. Please like the thing, like the content. It's going to help us so good, and we are on our way to 2K subscribers. Make sure you help us reach the 2K subscribers. If you're newcomers, do the needful. At least help us subscribe to the thing, turn on the notifications so that you always get notified when you put out the content. So it's your boy Tony and Aaron, and we out.
Ciao.